Hello, welcome to another video from me, Mr. Morrison. Today we're going to code our microbit to become a compass. So you see here it was showing different directions for different ways it was facing, and this matches up with a real compass that I've got here. So here in my room, this way's north, that's where the red needle's pointing, so that means the opposite, where the microbit's pointing there, is south. If I turn the microbit east, then we've got east is that way. If I turn it north, then north is that way. And if I turn it to the west, then west is that way. So that matches up with our microbit. So we can code the different directions onto it. So let's get coding. So to code our compass, we first need to get rid of onStart that we will need forever. We then need to go in and create a variable, so make a variable and call this variable degrees. We're going to set degrees to and make that setting to a compass heading that you'll find in input, and that means that it'll set that number of the reading that it's getting from the compass on the back of the microbit. Then if I go into logic, I want the second conditional statement, and I want in here to have quite a few. So I need to go plus, plus, and plus, so that I have 4 boxes that say false, and then 2 extra bits at the end. So in the first one, I'm going to go into logic, and I'm going to get the comparison, and put it in with the symbol here. And then in variables, I'm going to go in and get degrees. So this is going to be when degrees are less than 45, then I need it to show a string. So string, in this case, the string is just one letter, and I'm going to make it a capital N for north. Now, why is it 45, you may ask? Because if you know your bearings, you know that north would be 0, 0. But north, we're going to assume that north extends all the way to 45 before it becomes south. So we're going to split it equally like a kind of X across our compass. So that means we're saying anything from 0 to 45, we're still calling north. Then I would like to duplicate this statement up here, put it in here, and change this now to 135. So that means we're saying anything from 135, so I'm going to duplicate to show string, and I'm going to call this next one E for east. So anything from 45 to 135 is going to be east. Then I'm going to duplicate it again and go that anything from 135 to 225 is going to be, duplicate this again, south. Oops, we need an S. Then I'm going to duplicate it again, and this time we're wanting to 315. Duplicate it again, and so south, west. Never eat shredded wheat. Maybe that's how you know them. And now in this final box, we're going to put in north again. So just a show string, and put an N. Why is that? Well, is between 315 and 360, we still need something to be the case, and that would be north. So we're going back round. So you're imagining again, we've split it into 4 equal chunks right there. So that is your program ready to go. Download this onto your microbit, see if it works, and I hope to see you in another video very soon.